Okay, what I'm going to do right here is I got some center caps that I'm going to put on these cheap ass Harley wheels here. I've cleaned my butt off on these things. As much as you got to pay for these wheels on these trikes, these rims ought to be chrome, but they ain't. But I cleaned them up really good. This is about the third, fourth time I've had to really scrub them, but I got them good this time. And there's a lot of people on the Harley forum that's wondering what you clean them with. I'm going to tell you what I clean them with. This right here, Mother's Chrome Polish. And, let's see, steel wool. That's what I use because a rag won't take it off. Use some really ultra fine steel wool, like some triple aught. That'll clean them rims up. I don't care if it's chrome or if it's alloy, it'll clean them up because I cleaned these up. I've got a picture of how they was before I cleaned them. But what I'm going to do is put Kuryakyn center caps on this just to kind of dress these wheels up a little bit. And what we got here is the backing plate that goes on there. Bam, goes on there. Just like that. But you got to get this prepped and cleaned real good. Then alcohol swab it down good. And then on top of that goes this chrome piece over that. And you see that little notch right there in the center of this chrome piece. And the next thing we got that goes on that are right here, two spinners. See, get it out of there. Shake the bag loose. Poof. And that's your centerpiece that goes on your center cap. And then right there, there's three little screws that goes in there once you get that black piece that holds your center cap on. You put your center cap on, and then you put this on, and then you put your three screws in there. And then we got the center caps. And if you ever need to take them off, there's a little slot. There's 3 slots on these things. You just take a little screwdriver and you pop them off. That center cap, every bit of that center cap comes off there. So if you need to get your rim back off so you can put new tires on or service your bike, you can do it. Well, I'm going to end this right here. I'm going to put these on and I'll show you what they look like when I'm done. See you in a bit. I'm back with you again. Before you install this backing plate for your center chrome piece, you want to make sure that you rub. I always take it in my thumb and I rub this adhesive pad real good, get it warmed up. Then I take my thumb and I just go over it real good everywhere. You want to make sure that thing's going to stick and not come off. And I've already got this side on, and they say to stick a socket on here so you can get that centered on there right, but socket wouldn't stay, so I thought, you know what, I can eyeball that and get that dude right on there perfect. So it's on there perfect. It's the way it ought to be. Perfect. Alright, I'll get this side here put together and the rest of the pieces on here, and I'll show you what it looks like. Be right back. Again, there they are. They look pretty cotton picking good if you ask me. Walk around here and I'll show you the other side. It's installed now too, so I think they look a lot better with that center cap. Big difference. They look good. Alright, appreciate y'all watching. Got any questions, just leave a comment in the comment section of the video and I'll get back with you. Oh yeah, and this lift right here, I'm going to do a review on it here for long. Got a big shout out there for the Law Tigers, Mr. Malcolm, here in the state of Missouri. If you guys don't know who Law Tigers are, you sure should. They're for all the riders out there. Then I got another big shout out for Hauler Moto. Everybody go check his channel out and give him a subscribe and a like. Check out his videos. He's a good guy. Alright, gonna end it on that note. Later all.